Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be unboxing the Capdase Atom 5-watt power adapter, USB power adapter. So let's get into it. I'm going to just open this up and we will pull it out like that. So there is the Atom. So we just pull this out. There's the Capdase Atom. Keep it to the side. Let's see if we have something else. No. So we don't have anything else in this box. Let's keep this box to the side. This is the Capdase Atom. I think I have a USB cable around here. So I just got a USB cable to show you. So this is the Atom. And this is the Apple cable, the simple one, not the lightning cable. Let's put this cable into the Atom and see if it fits. Yeah, it fits nice, looks nice, and yeah, that's it. You can insert it in either ways, like that and like that. So yeah, that's the Capdase Capdase Atom guys. Thanks for watching.